So as an affiliate marketer, why you don't have to sell everyone? Not even someone who want to learn about affiliate marketing. Now you will say that then whom should I sell? Like if I'm not selling to everyone, and if I don't sell to those people who want to learn about affiliate marketing, then whom should I sell? And from my experience, and I've seen that 50-60 people are here. They don't care about like how they're going to make money. They don't want to invest any money on anything. They just want to get some knowledge and they will get to make money. They don't care how. They just want to just they're going to spam. They are ready to spam the links everywhere and they want to just make money. Few bucks, not huge amount of money, because those are the people not going to make huge amount of money. They just want to make quick bucks by doing something, some what we can say, wrong thing. So these 60 people are not your audience, and you don't even try to sell to those people. Your content should be there for those people, not you. Personally, don't try to help them. Let your content be there for those people. And now remaining 40 people. And in 40 also, and from remaining 20-30 people are someone, they want to learn. And they are ready to invest some amount of money. Let's say $30, $50 product. They are ready to invest this much amount of money. They are afraid to show themselves in front of the world. They are not providing value. They just want to make money and they only want to talk about money, but they don't want to provide any value. They are not here to create impact in this field. Their focus is to make money, and that's why they are doing. And those also is not your audience. And for them also your content should be there, not you. And now the remaining 10-15 people are there who believe, yes, if I have to learn something great, if I have to become something great in this field, I have to invest. I have to invest some good amount of money. They understand that. So what they do is they find the right mentor. They're ready to invest, and they have the mindset. Yes, I have to first learn the skills. I have to first learn all the things before selling anything. And what most people do is they just buy a product. They just start selling. They don't know anything about product, and they don't know like what kind of help they can give to people who are going to learn from them or who are going to buy from them. They're just selling, and they're just based. They're confident on the product. But the people who is greater in this field, who are like doing something, creating some impact, they are confident on themselves. Whatever the learnings, whatever the knowledge they have, they are confident on that, because they can bring result from that specific knowledge to any of the people who are serious, who want to learn, who want to grow in this field. So your focus should be that 10 people. Those people are ready to invest. They are going to learn. They are going to apply. They are going to get result from whatever the knowledge you're going to share. So that means your time, effort, energy, everything is worth it. And you have to find those people. Your customer, remember this, your customer is not someone who is able to and not willing to, and not someone who is willing to but not able to. Your customer is someone who is able to and willing to. This is your customer. This is your dream customer, I will say. So find those people and start helping those people, because if you're not able to help these people, if you're not finding these people, not helping these people, some people are going to scam them, and then they will start also thinking that affiliate marketing is not good. So it's your responsibility, your duty to help and find these people and provide the knowledge what you have and start bringing them results. So guys, this is what you have to tell, that don't try to sell everyone. You have to sell some specific people. Otherwise, the right people, you will not able to find the right people, and you will just keep on wasting your time on the people who are not serious, who don't want to learn. So find the right people and start helping those people to become great in affiliate marketing. So guys, if you have to learn about affiliate marketing and you don't know what kind of things should I start, like how should I start, I'm beginner in this, or I have some I don't know how to sell all those products, then what you can do is you can connect with me on Facebook Messenger. I have given the link in the description. You can go and connect with me there, and I'm going to try my best to solve your problem so that you can find some right direction and start taking action on that and start getting results from those knowledge and from those directions. Okay guys.